So, may LEA 30 definition of terms. First, security is a kind of state where people, institution, authority, or groups feel fully secured of feeling free from any threat or vulnerability from somewhere or someone in his or her life, liberty, property, or activity. Physical security, a system of barriers placed between the potential intruder and the objects matter to be protected. It is concerned with the physical measure adopted to prevent unauthorized access to equipment, facilities, materials, and documents, and to safeguard them against espionage, sabotage, damage, and theft. Security hazard, an act or condition which result in a situation conducive to a breach of the protection system and the subsequent loss or compromise or damage to personal property or facilities. Man-made hazard, an act or conditions affecting the safe of operation of the facility caused by human action, accidental or intentional. Um, Natural hazard, caused by natural phenomenon which cause damage, disturbance, and problems of normal functioning activities, including security. Barriers can be defined as any structure or physical evidence capable of restricting, delaying, deterring, and illegal access to an installation. Protective alarm is an oral or visual signal given by the annunciator to the security when intruder actuate certain devices um, in the protected area. Circuit. It is the communication channel that conveys the information from all sensors in the system to the signal by means of wire and radio waves. Fire alarm, any visual or audible signal produced by a device or system to warn the occupants of the buildings or fighting elements of the presence or danger of fire to enable them to undertake immediate action to save life and property and to suppress. Next, smoke detector, a device placed at the ceilings of the floor that detects smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. Automatic sprinkler, a type of a built-in sprinklers which works by the increase of room temperature and which automatically operates the system to put out the fire. Fire hydrant. It is a mechanical device strategically located in an installation or in a street where a fire hose will be connected so that the water will be available to extinguish a fire. A fire extinguisher is a firefighting equipment which is be portable or in cart that is used to put out fire depending on the contents to extinguish certain types of fire. Uh, Magnetic door contact. It's a protective device usually placed in the door and window that can send notification when the opening and closure occurs. IP camera. IP-based camera works by turning image and audio into data, then transmitting uh, the data over a network or internet connection. Lock. Defined as mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, or electronic device uh, designed to prevent entry to a building or room. Padlock. A portable and detachable lock having a pivot or sliding hasp which possess through a stable ring or the like and is made fast or secured. Biometrics. A machine that can be used for identification of humans by their characteristics or traits. Key control. Defined as a defined as the management of keys in a plant or business organization to prevent unauthorized individual access to the keys. Peterman. A term used in England for lock, pickers, safecrackers, and penetrators of restricted areas or room. Um, Security guard is any natural person who offers or renders personal service to watch or guard residential or business premises or both government and or their premises for hire and compensation. Security supervisor is charged with the directing the work and observing the behavioral performances of the guard under his unit. Um, Private detective. Any person who does detective work for hire, reward, or commission other than members of the AFP, the BJMP, PNP, or any other law enforcement agencies. Moral turpitude. It is an act of basement, um, vileness, or depravity in the provide and social duties which a man owes to his fellow men or to security in general, contrary to the accepted and customary rule um, of right and duty between men and men. Duty Detail Order or the DDO is a written orders schedule issued by the superior officer, usually the private security agency or branch manager or operations officer assigning the performances or private security or detective services duties.